Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, March 17, 2021, and today is the FOMC announcement day. You can see on the charts the announcement just came out a handful of minutes ago. We are still awaiting the speech here momentarily from Speaker Powell, and the markets are trading higher following that announcement. So we made it back to around yesterday's close. We had a sizable down gap this morning, so we just made it back to the prior day's closing price in the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Russell. Dow's been a little bit stronger today, but we are holding above where we opened at this morning, and we are heading into the afternoon session. So what we're going to do this afternoon is look at what has happened historically when you are holding above the open going into the close in a similar environment on FOMC announcement day. So let me hop into Discover, select all four instruments, and set up this test. The test will be based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, for the price action, all I'm going to do is say that we are trading above the opening print for the session. I'm going to say that we are in a similar market environment, which I've got as above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. And then we can go into market events and say today is the FOMC announcement. That's right here in the market events section. And I can go to FOMC announcement, hit equals next to it. That adds it to the test up here. I could also just grab it from that active today section. And now I can hit view results. And here we go. These are the results of going long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are trading above the opening print at 3 p.m. on the FOMC announcement day in a similar market environment, which I have as above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, this has taken place 45 times in the S&P dating back to 2003. We've got 40 samples for the NASDAQ, 46 for the Dow, 27 for the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, the win rates on these are telling you what percentage of these have closed above that 3 p.m. price. So for the S&P, just 40% have closed above that 3 p.m. price in this scenario. For the NASDAQ, 45%. For the Dow, 43%. And for the Russell, 44%. So all of those between 40 and 45%. So a little bit weaker period here. If we look at the average win and average loss, they're fairly similar in size for the S&P. Looks like the average loss just a touch bigger there in the NASDAQ. The average loss is bigger in the Dow. And the average win, average loss are pretty similar in size for the Russell. So to summarize here, we've got all four instruments with at least slightly weak win rates, and two of the four have larger average losses than wins. So historically speaking, it has been a little bit weaker as we approach the close in this scenario. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.